so welcome to some brain effects. So in today's video we are going to be doing a breakdown of the trade we took on Volatility 101x index. Okay, first of all, what do? We look at for the trend of the market. So we determine our market bias, so market bias. So looking at the trade from higher time frame, that the market has been in a downtrend, meaning it's making a series of higher high, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. This was the previous trade we took. This one was the previous trade we took on. So lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So what did we see? Here's the this is a 2 hours time frame. So we saw a break of structure to the downside. So we first of all saw a break of structure. So after the break of structure, okay, after this break of structure to the downside, break of structure. So this was the zone that caused the break of structure. This zone right here caused the break of structure. So that's a supply zone, or OB, order block. This order block caused the break of structure. Okay, so what did we do? Went down to a lower time frame went back to a 1 hour time frame. So a 1 hour time frame, so we still saw the same thing, the break of structure, and then this was the zone that caused the break of structure. Okay, and then we waited for the next thing we do. We waited for price to tap into that zone. After price tap into our zone, we look for our entry. So weighted price came in, tap into our zone. So after price tap into our zone, what did we wait for? We look at for our entry criteria. What's the entry criteria? Is simply for entry criteria in a lower time frame, it could be from the 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 to 1 minute, depending. So price tap into our zone. So we waited for this, which was waited for a break of structure. After a break of structure, waited for price to tap into our zone, and then we sold off. So which is exactly what's happened here. So in the lower time frame, this was actually a 10 minutes time frame. Okay, so price came in, tap into our zone, and then it broke structure. So this was a break of structure. This was a break of structure. Price came in, tap in, broke structure, and then tap back to our zone, and then it sold off. So this is a confirmation, entry confirmation. Okay, so we saw this. So this was just one illustration. So let me take this out. So that's actually what we waited for. So price tap into our zone. So going down to the 10 minutes time frame. Okay, going down to the 10 minutes time frame. So what did we do? We saw this. Okay, we saw this. So we saw this. Okay, in the 10 minutes time frame. So price after tapping, it broke structure. Okay, after the break of structure, we waited for price to tap in back to our zone. This was where we took our sell from. Our stop loss was above that zone. Okay, so price tapping, and then it sold off. That's how we got our entry. So that's how we got our entry. Bye for now.